Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. This is Zena, Wyatt's over here. I'm Laura. We're so glad you're here. Please do hang out with us, hit that subscribe. We do subscription boxes after the day and shopping hauls and so much more. We would love to have you join us. For today, I have a Wantable style box, and this one is a heavy one. Heavy. I love Wantable. This is a style subscription. Usually it's a monthly basis, but you can choose your frequency. So it could be quarterly. I think it could be bi-monthly. I'm trying to think. There's several options in which you can decide to get this box. They also have several versions of it. And by that I mean there's the style box, which I'm going to share with you today, which is your typical style subscription, everyday wear, work wear. They also have an active wear, so think lounge wear, workout wear. And then they just started their sleep and body edit, so think lounge and sleep wear. So many to choose from. I love all of them. I think they're so much fun. With Wantable, there is a $20 styling fee. You get 7 items. You only have to keep 5 to get a 20% discount. Otherwise, just keep what you love, send back what you don't. As long as you keep 1 item, your $20 styling fee will come off of that. What do you think, little girl? Huh? All right, so for today, I am super excited because I am collaborating with Josie. If you have not checked out her channel, you must. She is super creative. She does tons of subscription unboxings as well, similar to me. She does tons of styling videos, and she has amazing style. I'm putting up some pictures over here. I hope you check her out. Do run over and check out her video as well. She's doing a style box unboxing today also, and showing what she got in her box, and I would love if you would stop over, tell her I sent you, say hi, and share your favorite outfits with her as well. Okay, let's dig into my Wantable. Trying to think what else I need to share with you about Wantable. They do a men's edit also. For the men in your life, if you would like to try a men's edit. I have never done that, so I have no idea what it's like. As soon as you open your box, here's what you see. So there's notes on the flap, exactly what to do. And I love, love, love the personalized sticker. I have a big bundle here. I can't wait to stop over and see Joe's outfits. You're going to love her. You do have to stop over and definitely check out her. Well, it looks like I got lots of denim, but check out what she got. I'm definitely seeing some fall vibes here, right? All right, let's do this. You always get a pamphlet that gives you notes from your stylist. Your pricing sheet tells you what type of edit you got. So this is telling me that it's my style edit. I love how it says you deserve to feel beautiful. Don't we all? You always get an envelope for anything you don't love and don't want to keep. Free shipping both ways. All right, let's see if I can get my bundle out here. It is tight. It is wrapped up tight, and I never want to rip my paper. First up, something from Chaser. Oh, I think this is a dress. This is cute. This is a Chaser dress in navy. It's like a sweatshirt material, very, very soft. It has that scoop neck. It has pockets here, a little bit of a rounded bottom. How adorable is that? It's a little thicker weight now that we're going into fall, but it's sleeveless. I love this. That's adorable. Ooh, we're off to a good start. Next, I have something from Thread and Supply. This is a little t-shirt. Kind of call this a dusty blue. I did want to tell you also, before I forget, that Wantable has a stream. If you go out to their stream, you can request and decline items. So be sure to do that if you sign up for Wantable, because that will help your stylist get to know your style. But there's also a chance you will get items that you request, and by declining certain items, that therefore your stylist knows what you absolutely don't like, right? So it certainly does help. And if they can send you items, they will, if your size becomes available. Next up, it looks like I have a wrap from Echo. This is pretty. This is super pretty. I wonder if I requested this. I like the colors in this. The mint green and the yellow and the blue. That's gorgeous. And I think maybe that's what this is supposed to go with. Or maybe the next top is supposed to go with it. Look at this. This is yellow. This is pretty. This is, oh, I like this. This is by 78 and Sunny. That'll look so cute with that. Look, this was something I definitely requested. How cute is that with the palm tree? Is that me or what? I definitely requested this. Adorable. All right. I have to look real quick, but I know I did. So she sent me, oh, she sent me 5 requests. 5. So, the first item I requested was this. So I did request this. The second item was this. All right, next up. Looks like I requested these as well. This is a pair of Denim by Flying Monkey. These are a straight leg pair with this very chewed up bra hem. I do try to go through their stream to give them a sense of what I like and what I don't. And I'm loving the light wash straight leg. So these are cute. I like Flying Monkey. That's a fun denim brand. All right. I guess I requested all the rest of these. These are by Democracy. These are the Curve Equality. Check this out. So these are almost look like a pull-on, like little jogger, don't they? They don't have the jogger bottom though. It's just a cuff bottom, but the side pockets, and they have back pockets, and yeah, a faux zip. So this is not an actual zip. It's just fake. You guys can see that. I don't think you can. There you go. So I requested those, and apparently I also requested these Liverpool as well. And check these out. You will love these. These are a jogger. Zippers here at the ankle. Can you see that? Camo, this dark camo, getting ready for fall. Flat pockets in the back. And then they have the side pockets in the front. Love! All right, I think this was an awesome collection, but probably because I picked most of it, right? I'm super excited. Let's get right to this try on. Okay, first outfit. How adorable is this dress? It has pockets, it has room, it's soft, it's comfy, it's navy, so it means I can wear it now, I can wear it later, I can throw a sweater, jacket, whatever over top of it. Switch out the shoes. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. It has the thicker, bra-friendly straps. Little fuzz. Here's a closer look. So comfy, this little dress is. It has the little bit of a curved hem, comes up just a little bit on the side. I love this. This would be great for traveling. You have to be in the car for a long time, to pack and throw in a suitcase. Yeah, I love it. So this one is called the Muscle Tank Mini Dress in Schooner by Chaser, and it is $88. Yikes. Yeah, I don't have too many cheapies on here this time. Yikes. All right, let's do something else. Next outfit. All right, so now I have on the Threads for Thought tee and the Democracy denim. The tee is pretty basic. Let me get a little closer here and show you this. It's just a basic tee. The color is really pretty. I don't know. I don't have a lot to say about it. It's a little bit longer, so hip length. The color's pretty, which I think I already said. I do a little bit of a front tuck so I can show you this Democracy denim, which I really like. So they are cuffed, but you can uncuff them. And then they would be a little bit long on me, as you can see. I do like them cuffed. See, as soon as I set anything down here, Zena immediately wants to curl up on it. She's so silly. I really actually think this denim is fabulous. It's very soft, it's very comfy. It doesn't have, it makes it look like it has a drawstring waist, but it does not. This is just a cute little tie. Basically, it's an elastic waist, and these are a little bit big on me. So I would like to see if I can size down because I like them, but I have way too much room here. But they are a relaxed fit. A little bit straight starting here at the knee, And overall, a great pants. All this is faux, you know, faux zipper, faux drawstring. Side pockets, pockets in the back. I love the light wash, and I love how comfortable they are. Get a little closer again so you can see the jean. All right, so for these, they're called the high-rise pull-on cuff jean in light blue, $78. This little lolly tee in gray blue is $30. Okay, so how about this outfit? How fun, cheery, happy is this? Love this tank, adorable. Love this wrap, the colors. Love these pants, the straight leg and the wash. Love it all. All right, let's talk about the wrap first. How pretty are these colors? It does have actual sleeves, so it is attached quite a bit here with a little bit of a slit at the bottom. It's very lightweight, so great for right now, but it'll be nice going into fall as well when you still have a lot of warm days. Really looks nice with the yellow. I think it will also look nice, and I didn't bring down the other top, but it looks nice with the other tee as well. So she really put a nice collection together. Okay, and then this tank is really cute. I need to swatch out what bra I have on with it because it kind of cuts in a little bit here, and then it is a T-back, and I don't have a T-back bra on, so we would need to take care of that. But it is a super cute tank, a little bit longer if I take it out. So here's what that looks like. You can see it does cut in here in the back. All right, and then we have the pants. They are definitely straight leg, which I've been looking for. Have a little bit of distressing here at the top and then just at the bottom, which is nice. Just a little knot lots. Here's what they look like in the back. I do have a little bit of extra room in the waist, but I wouldn't really size down. It's allowing them just to relax a little bit, but not fall down or anything. So overall, a great fitting jean. The prices for these. Okay, the palm tree graphic tank in yellow. This is $36. The high-rise vintage straight by Flying Monkey, $78, and the little floral duster by Echo is $49. All right, I have one more outfit for you. Final outfit. Okay, how much do you love this yellow with this camo? I love it. It would be like a wear now, wear later. It takes me into fall without feeling too dark and gloomy. I am in love with these pants. How noisy is it out here? Are those the stickados? Is that how you say that? So noisy. Okay, hopefully not for you all. So this is the Liverpool jogger in this camo. They are amazingly comfortable. Amazing. The length on me is perfect, which is so unusual. They do have a zipper here that you can unzip. And honestly, it's very easy. They feel so, so comfy to move in, and they don't ride. They're perfect in the waist. I wonder what size she sent me. I think a 2. Yeah, these are a 2, so I didn't have to size down in them, which is wonderful. They feel perfect. Flat pockets in the back. I love it with the yellow, but I think it would look nice with most colors, pink, red, black. If you could really do a lot with these. These are definitely staying with me, which you guys all probably picked up on that. I'm in love with them. I'm so glad she sent them to me. I'm going to have a hard time with this box. This was a fabulous, fabulous box. Okay. So these are $98. They're the crop cargo jogger in dark moss. Obviously not crop on me, but that's okay. I'm good. And I requested these, and all of these items I requested this month. So I must have caught them all at the right time. The only ones I didn't request was the t-shirt and the dress. And she did a great job. I could easily keep all these items. Let's do a quick wrap up. Okay, so as I said, I could keep it all and be incredibly happy. However, the total for everything is $457. the buy all discount, or if you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. For 20% off everything will be $91.40, bringing everything down to $365.60. I personally don't think that's bad, considering I have 3 pair of denim here, and a dress, and then I have 2 tees and that wrap. So many amazing things. What would I return? What would I return? You tell me. So first up, let's talk about the obvious things, which this, look at Zizi over here. I have her buried. You're going to help me decide, Zizi? She's going back to sleep. Okay, so the obvious things that I could potentially return would be this tee. It was fine, but not special, right? But it's also the cheapest thing in the box, so it doesn't help me a lot. But I could easily return this and probably will. It does go, but I have other tops, and I like the yellow with it even better. So I don't need to keep this one. I can easily return it and probably will, as I said. Okay, that one's easy. Next up is the Democracy Denim. I really liked these, so I'll have to try to size down. If I can, I think I probably will. If I can't, then they'll go back. All right, I'm keeping the dress. I really liked it. I wish you all could feel it. It's super soft, typical of the chaser materials. I love it. So I definitely want to keep it. I definitely want to keep this. And how cute would this even look on top of the dress? Really cute outfit, right? So I'm keeping these 2. I really liked the Flying Monkey denim. Not a terrible price. You know, $78 if I get 20% off of them. I'm leaning towards wanting to keep those. You know, and I still have them on. This outfit I have on, so that's the Liverpool joggers and this tank. Definitely keeping them. I'm going to take this on my trip with Linda. I think this is so cute. So that means I'm keeping these 2. So I've already got 5. 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5. So I already have 5. I'm already keeping 5. I'm already getting 20% discount. The only 2 that are up in the air are these 2. And to be honest, if I can size down in these, I think I probably will. But a lot of times I can't. But you let me know what you think. Am I crazy, or was this not an awesome edit? I loved it. I'm so glad that they gave me so many of my requested items. See how it shows you that you requested it, and it tells you when. This was so fun. I so enjoyed it. Cannot wait to see what Josie did with her style edit, what she got, and how she styled her items. So please stop over, say hello, tell her I sent you, and I'm going to stop over and go check her video out right now. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I will list all of my items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I will put my link to Wantable down below as well. If you use my link, you'll get $10 towards your first box, so anything you keep from your first box. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Please hit that like before you go. Would love to hang out, and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. My subscribers are the best. Love you all. Till next time. Bye, everybody.